Hello, my loves and fellow creatives. I'm making a short video right now to show you how to access your courses on the Academy. So if you go to academy.innatelab.com, you'll see your login up here at the top right corner. You want to click on that login if you already have a login. It will sign you in, and you want to go scroll up to your products. And when you go to your products, you will see this Innate Academy membership, pre-recorded classes. If you go to this link, it should take you to all of the unlocked courses. If this is your first time logging in, then you should have 101 to 104 automatically. And then every 7 days, a new course will unlock and open up for you, depending on how long you've been an active member. So that's the simple way to come in, get your courses. You'll see that there's a video, there is a Photoshop, usually a Photoshop file associated with each and every course. And then there are directions for the course. And it might even have like a preview of what the course looks like. Okay, so that's just letting you know how to log into your courses. If you, for instance, don't have an account yet, then I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if you're completely logged out and you want to begin the Academy, then you would just simply click on Learn More here and just choose whether you want to do the $60 a month membership plan or the $30 a month membership plan. All right, and that is it. So if you choose the $30 a month plan, you're going to get the 4 recorded courses. If you choose the $60 a month plan, you'll get the 4 recorded courses, but you also have the opportunity to join a live session once every month and it will be covered with your membership fee. So you'll get a coupon code and you can use it once per month for a live course to attend the Zoom session where we'll be able to actually look at your screen, help you out if you get stuck, and have an interactive session where it's not just you following me on a video. You're literally following the live session, getting live assistance, and you produce a final product by the end of the class. So just letting you know what that $60 membership entails. The difference is that you get to attend one class live per 30 days. So it's not like a month-to-month thing. It's based on the time that you have registered. So every 30 days, a new coupon will unlock for you. All right, so that's it. That's the in and out of it. These are the 4 courses that you will get immediately upon registering for whether it's a $30 or $60 plan. You're going to get these 4 courses. They all come with templates and tools and some cool stuff. They're each valued at $50 a piece. So just initially you start off with $200 value in content as soon as you register, and then 7 days later, course 105 will open up. 14 days later, course 106 opens up and unlocks for you, etc. So again, the way that you get to that is once you're a member, you're going to log in, go to your products, and you want to click on the Academy membership, and you'll see all of those courses unlock for you. All right, I just wanted to make this video short and simple. So if you have any questions, please address them in the Innate Creatives Facebook group. And you will go to facebook.com and just search for Innate Creatives. And I will also link that in the description. All right, loves, you have a wonderful day, and I hope y'all are having happy, creative times. And again, that group is Innate Creatives. I'll post the link in the description. If you have any questions or you just want to show your work off, we're all there to help one another on this journey of becoming better designers, having professional level designs, and getting you on the right track with Photoshop and business growth. All right, loves, I'll check y'all soon. Just for now, bye.